Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about an accessory for the back, specifically the back headrest of your Tesla Model Ys and Model 3s that's really going to make it a game changer for road trips with little ones or hard to entertain adults. Let's get into it. So the product we're going to be unboxing and installing today is in this little inconspicuous box from Basesnor, one of my favorite companies on Amazon who sells Tesla products and Tesla accessories. This is a tablet holder that mounts to the back of your headrest. So as we get into this, it's a very, very simple product, but I think it could be really useful for entertaining little ones on long trips or just having a way to mount their tablet so they're not having to hold it the whole time in front of them or in their hands so they can eat a snack or do other activities in the car ride. So that's what this product is. Let's get into taking a look at it. Like I said, this is from Basesnor on Amazon. I've reviewed a lot of their products before, and I'm a big fan. I think they make really high quality products. Getting into this, it's very kind of simply a phone mount, an extending kind of phone mount that clamps your tablets or your phones, and a specific mount feature, which we'll get into in a second, that fits on the back headrest. It clamps right into the back headrest of your Tesla Model Ys and Model 3s. So taking a look at this construction, there's some little silicone padding, it looks like, all on both sides, so it's not going to scratch up any of your screens. And there's a little bit of a kind of a concave feature, so you know it's going to clamp really well. I like that a lot. The spring is actually really nice. This fits between about a 4-inch and just expands to over 8 inches. So if your tablet fits within those specs, this would be a great kind of accessory for you to add to the back of your car. Really nice, durable, that ABS plastic, giving it a twist. It feels really nice and strong. This is the actual locking feature. So we're going to take this off. That's how we mount it. And set this aside right here. Now let's get into the little mount feature of the product. Wrapped up in this little bubble wrap. So it's very simple, very kind of nondescript, I guess. This fits right in the crack between the hard plastic back and the right below the headrest of your Tesla Model Ys or Model 3s. And then the mount attaches right in here. It also comes with a little accessory hook. So in case you're watching something small like, a phone or something like that, and you want to hook like some snacks or something on here, like some groceries in a little bag, your kids will be able to reach it. It's a really nice feature too. Let's see what it takes to install this on the Tesla. I'm in here in the back seat of my Tesla Model Y, and I just have the actual mount piece right here. And it just clips on this back plastic piece. So I'm just going to pull this back a little bit. You can't quite see that too well on the camera, but then just kind of slip this down in here, slip over that piece, and it sits right there perfectly. Make sure it's kind of centered. And it looks really nice. Taking another kind of look at it from the side here, you can see how nicely it just kind of attaches. It's really sturdy. Giving it some tugs, it's not going to go anywhere. And it's just a nice, inconspicuous kind of design. I really like how they did that. Set you guys back up here and let's mount the actual attachment to it. So the way you do this is we already kind of unscrewed this piece off the back here. Go ahead and plop that on the ring and then insert this over that kind of ball. Now I'm going to try to do this with 2 hands and I'll take you guys back around. But you're just kind of threading that nut back over where that ball was. Let's see. There we go. And bring you guys back around so you can see how I did that. So I just threaded that nut back over this kind of ball mount, and that keeps it nice and tight. You can tighten it down even more if you want to keep it nice and secure. I like how that's feeling right there. It's actually pretty nice. You can put it in different orientations and all that. So really nice and just minimalistic, which is kind of what I was going for. If you have a little one who doesn't want to hold their tablet the whole time, and then you can still kind of reach back here and control it a little bit for them, really nice feature. So I want to demonstrate how easy it is to install a tablet or a smartphone. So I have my son's tablet here. He made me promise to be very careful with it for him. So I actually have his tablet here. It was a little too big in its case. This is a Samsung Galaxy A5, something like that. And it works really well. It was just a little bit too big. We have a really big protective kind of bumper case on it. So it was a little bit too big to fit in the mount. So I took it out of the case. But if you have a more slimline tablet or anything like that, this will fit just fine. iPads will fit great in here. This is just a larger Samsung tablet. But there you go. I just inserted it from the top down. We'll do it again. So I was talking. Hold it from the top, insert it from the bottom. And there you go. It's hands-free tablet watching in the back of your Tesla Model Y. I love it. Couldn't be any more convenient for that. For 15, 20 bucks for the mount. Sometimes you can find them with coupons. It's really the way to go. It's nice and sturdy. This isn't going to be moving around a ton when you're actually driving down the highway or anything like that. Really nice feature. I think the kids will get a lot of use out of it. Well, I think that about wraps this one up. Really simple product, but you get a lot of bang for your buck for it. It's really well made, considering its price point. I was really impressed with the quality of the product, the length that it does expand, the kind of silicone pads fit really well, and it's really durable. Like it's mounted into the car really well, better than I thought it would be at this price point. So I really appreciate Basenor sending this over to me. I really like their products on Amazon. They make a lot of really cool stuff. Feel free to check them out. A link to this product will be down in the description below if you're interested in checking it out, as well as a lot of other products that I've used over the last couple months of owning my Tesla from Basenor. So check them out. It really helps out the channel, helps out the company. If you have any questions about this tablet mount, let me know. Hit me up down in the description. I know this, or down in the comments. I know this was a super quick video, but it was a simple product. And sometimes those are the best ones. So appreciate you guys sticking with the channel. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one.